For decades, when travelers boarded long-haul flights, they almost always found themselves on an aircraft built by either Boeing or Airbus. These two giants have dominated the skies, their names synonymous with international travel and technological innovation. This powerful duopoly has shaped not just the global aviation industry, but also the way nations connect, economies grow, and people experience the world. Their aircraft have become the backbone of fleets for airlines across every continent. But now, a new force is emerging from the east, signaling a dramatic shift in the balance of power in aviation. China's state-owned aerospace company COMAC is stepping onto the world stage, determined to challenge the status quo and rewrite the rules of the industry. At the heart of this ambition is the C929 wide-body jetliner, a bold project designed to compete directly with the most advanced Western aircraft and to offer airlines a new alternative for long-haul travel. This remarkable shift is the result of years of meticulous planning, massive investment, and a relentless drive for technological independence. China is not just building airplanes, it's building an entire ecosystem to support them. The development of the CJ2000 jet engine is a particularly bold move, aiming to make China self-reliant in one of the most complex and closely guarded areas of aerospace technology. Building a world-class jet engine is a rare feat, one achieved by only a handful of nations. China's determination to join this elite group is unmistakable, and the stakes could not be higher. The C929 project faces daunting technical, political and industrial challenges. Yet COMAC's resolve remains unwavering, fueled by national pride and a vision for the future. As Boeing and Airbus struggle with production backlogs and supply chain issues, COMAC is quietly, but steadily preparing for its global debut, hoping to seize the moment. The question is no longer if China will disrupt the aviation industry, but when, and just how profoundly, the landscape of global air travel will change in the years to come. The COMAC C929 is China's ambitious answer to the long-haul market, designed specifically to rival the Boeing 787 and Airbus A350 in performance and appeal. It's a twin-aisle jet for up to 320 passengers, marking China's bold leap into the lucrative wide-body segment. Once a joint venture with Russia, the C929 is now a fully Chinese project, entering the detailed design phase in 2025 with renewed focus. The C929 is a pillar of the Made in China 2025 initiative, aiming to reduce reliance on foreign aircraft and showcase China's technological rise to the world. COMAC's goal: win international certification and break the duopoly, making the C929 a true global contender in aviation. At the heart of the ambitious C929 wide-body airliner project lies the CJ2000 engine, a technological marvel developed by AVIC's Aero Engine Corporation of China, or ACAE. This engine is not just a component, it's a symbol of China's determination to compete on the world stage. The CJ2000 is a high-bypass turbofan, representing China's boldest and most sophisticated step yet toward true aerospace independence. It's designed to power the next generation of Chinese long-haul jets, reducing reliance on foreign technology. With a massive 78,000 pounds of thrust, the CJ2000 stands shoulder to shoulder with the world's leading engines, such as those found on the Boeing 787 Dreamliner and Airbus A350. This level of power is essential for the C929 to compete internationally. By developing the CJ2000, China is breaking free from decades of dependence on Western engine makers. The goal is clear: to achieve full mastery over the most complex and challenging aspect of modern aviation, jet engine technology. Building an engine of this caliber demands expertise in advanced metallurgy, ultra-precise manufacturing, and cutting-edge aerodynamic design. Every component must withstand extreme temperatures and pressures, pushing the limits of engineering. The CJ2000 is a significant leap forward from the smaller CJ1000A, requiring not only new materials, but also more complex control systems and innovative engineering solutions to meet international standards. Although the CJ2000 is still undergoing rigorous testing, its development is a clear signal of China's long-term commitment to becoming a leader in global aerospace technology and manufacturing. Even if the first versions aren't perfect, the CJ2000 lays a crucial foundation for future generations of Chinese jet engines, accelerating innovation and expertise for years to come. Ultimately, the CJ2000 is more than just an engine. It's a bold statement of China's global ambitions, technological progress, and its vision for the future of aviation. The C929 is poised to go head-to-head with the Boeing 787, a benchmark in long-haul travel, and the Airbus A350. Known for its advanced technology and global reach, these two Western titans have dominated the skies for years, setting the standard for efficiency, reliability, and passenger experience in commercial aviation. COMAC is targeting the same key metrics: fuel efficiency, lower maintenance costs, and enhanced passenger comfort. The C929's composite-rich airframe is designed to reduce weight and improve aerodynamics, aiming to match or even surpass its rivals. At the heart of this strategy is the new CJ2000 engine, a leap forward for Chinese aviation. While Western engines have a proven track record, the CJ2000's real-world performance will be under intense scrutiny from airlines and regulators alike. Every test flight and engine run will be watched closely, as the industry looks for signs of reliability, efficiency, and safety that can rival established Western power plants. COMAC is blending domestic innovation with lessons learned from global leaders, investing heavily in research and development to close the technology gap. By integrating select Western systems and avionics, the C929 becomes a hybrid aircraft, combining the best of both worlds to appeal to international airlines. This approach not only helps bridge the gap in technology and certification, but also reassures potential customers about safety and operational standards. However, Boeing and Airbus have decades of trust, established relationships, and global support networks that are difficult to match overnight. COMAC must build its reputation from scratch, convincing airlines and passengers alike that the C929 is a worthy competitor on the world stage. In this high-stakes race, the incumbents are already sprinting, with established fleets and loyal customers across the globe. The C929's challenge is formidable, requiring not just technical excellence, but also global acceptance and support. If COMAC succeeds, the C929 could revolutionize the industry, opening a new chapter in global aviation and reshaping the balance of power in the skies. COMAC's approach to the C929 is pragmatic, a blend of Chinese innovation and proven Western technology. At the 2025 Paris Air Show, COMAC resumed selecting international suppliers, signaling a global strategy. French firm Safran and American company Crane Aerospace are among those providing key systems. Integrating trusted Western components reduces risk and reassures potential customers. This hybrid strategy accelerates development and eases the path to international certification. By outsourcing some systems, COMAC can focus on the airframe and CJ2000 engine. The C929 supply chain reflects the global nature of aerospace, even amid rising competition. No country builds a jet alone. Collaboration remains essential. Managing this complex network will be as crucial as the engineering itself. The road from design to commercial success is steep for COMAC. Certification is the first major hurdle, especially from US and European regulators. Geopolitical tensions add layers of complexity to the process. Scaling up production to match Boeing and Airbus is a massive industrial challenge. Any engine reliability issues could cause costly delays. Airlines are conservative. COMAC must earn their trust and build a global support network. Without this, the C929 risks being limited to China's domestic market. Reliance on Western suppliers is a vulnerability if export controls tighten. COMAC's journey is as much about navigating politics as it is about engineering. The C929's arrival marks a turning point in aviation. For the first time in decades, Boeing and Airbus face a serious challenger in the wide-body market. This new competition could drive innovation, lower prices, and offer more choice for airlines and passengers. The C929's true legacy is the aerospace ecosystem it's building in China. From materials to engines, it's a strategic asset, insulating China from external pressures and elevating its global standing. The competition will now be between Seattle, Toulouse, and Shanghai. Whether the C929 becomes a global staple or remains mostly in China, it has already changed the industry's future. The sky, once ruled by two, is now open to three.